Welcome to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we're talking about Ether by French Avenue, a scent that's been buzzing lately, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. At its core, Ether sits in that fresh, green, slightly fruity forest lane. Imagine walking through a dewy garden at sunrise. Fresh leaves, soft citrus, a hint of earth, but with a modern twist that isn't generic or boring. Let's check the juice. It's got a bloody good spray. Oh, that smells just amazing. So top notes: green apple, bergamot, mandarin, orange. Middle is cedar, petitgrain, cashmere, violet. Base is musk, oak moss, and amberwood. It's not overpowering, more like a breath of fresh air that sits comfortably close to the skin, yet still gets noticed. Crisp, clean, and uplifting without feeling synthetic. Or to summer beach, it leans green and natural, but with enough structure to work year-round. So the performance, longevity is 6 to 8 hours, and projection is solid. Think moderate to above average. It doesn't scream across the room, but it hangs in that perfect personal space bubble where people lean in and actually ask you what you're wearing. Now, Ether by French Avenue, you can get this on my website, only at Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.